I have heard, I have read, and I have seen with my own eyes the wonders of God. Now I know, because I have grown in the truth that never dies, that all power belongs to God, the one and only, creator of everything, king over all-knowing and powerful. This God, what can he not do? He who in the beginning made the heaven and the earth, two entities so vast, diverse, and complex in just 6 days. What can he not do? He called forth light and darkness fled. He parted the seas with a single breath. He makes decrees that no one can contest. He is the deliverer of the one who is oppressed. Oh, I'm impressed at how he beats the rest. At what he does, he is just the best. He who in a contest sent down fire, and he consumed the fuel extinguisher and sacrifice all at once. What can he not do? He turns the heart of kings with ease. He steals the nations and brings them to their knees. He speaks and chaos must bow to peace. He is the door and in his hands lies the keys. Now I get the gist. He alone exists in a realm that no mortal can reach. He who in the wilderness provided manna and quail and fed 5,000 people with 5 loaves and 2 fishes. What can he not do? He feeds the sparrows as they fly. He clothes the lilies with beauty none can deny. Whatever he touches multiplies. He is the giver of gifts that money cannot buy. So I'm pleased to tell you, he'll satisfy all your needs with a touch of class. He who in honor of his word put a stop to menopause and blessed Sarah, gave barren Hannah, Rebecca, and Rachel their children. What can he not do? He breathes his spirit and life is formed. He speaks and here comes a new dawn. He defeated death and now the grave is undone. He is the beacon of light, hope for the abandoned. Oh, I'm amazed at how his affection led to my adoption. And there is no need to fight because he has already won. This God is terrific. Do not tempt him. He caused confusion at the Tower of Babel because if they find him, they will rebel. This God is dangerous. Do not mock or try to provoke him. He brought destruction to Sodom and Gomorrah, flooded the entire earth because men were immoral.
What can he not do? What can he not do? What can he not do? What can he not do?
With a strike brought water out of a rock. With shout brought down the wall of Jericho.
What can he not do?
Jonah survived in the belly of a fish for 3 days. 3 Hebrew men were thrown into the fire but were not consumed.
What can he not do?
He shut the mouth of the lions for Daniel. He opened the mouth of a donkey for Balaam. He walked on water and calmed the storms. He healed the lepers and opened blind eyes. He healed all manners of diseases and sicknesses. He cast out demons and raised the dead. He turned water into wine. He healed the woman with the issue of blood. The sun stood still until victory is won. He died, was buried, and he resurrected. There's nothing he cannot